Students, good morning to all. We are from Manual Group, New Delhi. So here we would like to discuss about Manual IAS Academy. It is a New Delhi based academy since 2016. So we are operating around Delhi, Hyderabad, Visakhapatnam and around India. So under the initiative of our chairperson S. Krishna Kumari, she is the founder, director and chairperson of Manual Group, and her vision is she is working for women empowerment and child development, where she is providing opportunities for many students in India in the rural areas, and she is also providing a scholarship of 50 to 100% for the eligible students in few of the areas of education. So under her guidance, we are operating, as you can see, we are operating in terms of career guidance program for all the UG and PG students around India, where we are dealing with IAS Academy, education, campus training placements, software training, overseas and technologies. So in this, we are providing services around many sectors, and we are having few programs for civil services, and we have few programs for other students who are from other graduations. And apart from this, we are also providing campus training and placements for all the students in India, irrespective of the degree. So here, today we would like to discuss about the Chairman Message. The initiative of Manual Group is, we are working in terms of women empowerment and to educate more women aspirants in terms of education industry. As we know that since long back, the women industry in terms of education and jobs are very high. And the problem is with rural areas. And in many rural areas like Andhra, Telangana, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, Bangalore, Hyderabad, every place in India, the city, the urban and rural, there's a big gap. Students studying in urban areas, they are well accessed with all the sorts of advantages. But what about the rural background students? So our initiative is mainly, we want to work for the rural background students, irrespective of the education. And our theme for success is change the strategy, not the path. So here we are conducting All India Scholarship Test. This is especially for the civil service coaching along with the degree program. So under this program, we are conducting scholarship exam, and we are selecting few students around India for whom we will be providing 50 to 100% of scholarship in terms of fees redemption. And this exam is on April 4th, 2022, where the batch will be going to start on June 1st. Apart from this, we have the scholarship exam 2, which will be conducted in the month of May for Telangana and Andhra Pradesh students. So here, I would like to tell about our objective, our mission, our vision, what we are working for, our scholarship program and our rural development program. As you can see that our main agenda is rural education, as we are providing the part of training in terms of women empowerment. Apart from this, I would like to discuss few areas of interest. As you can see that the main reason for this video is, many students in India, they have a confusion, what after 12th? Because students might be having a confusion in their career. Some students, they might be going for the abroad studies. Some students might be going for civil services. So we have prepared a detailed explanation, and this is a confusion of many students in India. Like, we can talk about the students in the degree background, BA. In BA, History, Economics, Political Science. BA, English, Economics, Political Science. In BA, History, Economics and Geography. Along with that, BSc and BCom, BBA and BBM. So our program is, students who are in the 11th and 12th, we are going to provide them degree plus civil service coaching. 3 years long-term degree along with civil service coaching in this particular areas, where the students belonging to the degree program, they can also avail the services full-time along with their college studies, where we have few more programs in terms of other students, like students from engineering background, like BTech. Like, we have programs for engineering graduates who can also be part of civil service coaching. As we can see that since 2010, Many students are coming to civil services in terms of law, in terms of engineering, in terms of arts. So the engineering students, medical students participation in civil services is very heavy since 2010, and we have the similar programs for MBBS and law graduates. As you also know that the students studying law, they will be having few subjects which is similar to UPSC exams like Indian polity and law. So our initiative is students who are confused about career options after 12th, what degree, in degree what they want to pursue, if it is commerce, if it is science, if it is BTech, or it is MBBS or law, whatever the degree is, we are providing the full-time coaching along with the degree program around India. So next is degree plus IAS coaching. So this is the main agenda, where we are having vastly experienced faculties from New Delhi and Hyderabad, where these faculties will be visiting to the colleges around India, where we will be having a 3-time degree program along with hostel facility for the students who are coming from other places. And in this initiative, we are also providing scholarship of 50 to 100%. And based on that examination, we are going to select few students every year, so that students can be getting civil service coaching. And our program, like we have guidance from ex-IAS officers and bureaucrats, and we will provide services for prelims, mains and interview. We also have mock papers and test series. And as you know that since last 5 to 6 years in UPSC, the current affairs section is very important, where we'll be having regular current affairs classes, where the Hindu newspaper analysis, including the current areas of interest, will be discussed. So by doing this, the students who are willing to go Delhi, as there is a myth that for civil service preparation we need to go Delhi. So as per my suggestion, Delhi, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Chennai, doesn't matter where you study. The basics are very important. So our faculties who are going to visit, they will be guiding the students along with the basics, including a complete schedule for 1 or 2 years, where you can be part of that preparation and you can prepare the civil service coaching in a minimal amount within your college premises or within your district. So this is an opportunity for many students who are planning to make a career into civil service. So here I would like to thank each and everyone. As you can see that our head office is in New Delhi. We have Noida, Hyderabad, Warangal, Visakhapatnam, Vijayawada, Srikakulam, Tirupati, Chittoor, and these are the places which we are conducting scholarship test in the month of March, April, May, June. So we have scheduled different tests in different regions, and this test is purely based on aptitude, reasoning, English and verbal, where we will be having 50 questions, 2 marks each. So depending upon the COVID situations and the college timings, we are giving assistance in terms of all the degree colleges and engineering colleges around India. And students, I wish you all the best for your preparation. This video, if you like it, if you can subscribe this, because we will be posting few more videos in terms of civil service preparation, how to prepare civil service. We have some expertise in our panel who are going to give some guidance. And moreover, we are having bilingual classes, like students from many parts of India, they are comfortable with Hindi, some in English and some in Telugu, and some in other mode of communication. So we do have few videos where students from Hindi medium background, they can be part of it, and few videos in English and few in Telugu. So any student from any background, he or she can avail the services. So I wish you all the best. Thank you. See you again. Bye.